Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up a WireGuard server on a MikroTik router and demonstrate how to connect to it using WireGuard. To begin, I'd like to mention that you're currently listening to an AI-generated voice, but there's no need to worry. Ready to get started? Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Logging into MikroTik via Winbox. If your MikroTik router has MikroTik OS 7 or a later version, you'll notice WireGuard on the left panel. Click on it, choose a name, and click Apply to generate your public and private keys. Make sure to keep your private key safe and note down the public key for later use. Step 2. Configuring the WireGuard gateway. Go to the IP tab, select Address, and choose an IP and subnet for your WireGuard gateway. Use this range to grant access to users on your network. Step 3. Setting up WireGuard on your phone or PC. Download the WireGuard app on your mobile device or PC. You can find it on Google Play or other app stores. Create a connection and generate a public key. You'll see this in the video later. In the MikroTik configuration, click on the Peer tab and select Add. Choose your WireGuard interface. Paste the public key you generated on your phone or PC into the specific field. You can set a pre-shared key and a persistent keep alive for your connection peer. In the Allowed Address field, choose a single IP within your WireGuard range with /32. Step 5. Configuring WireGuard on Android phones. On Android phones, click the plus icon and select Create from Scratch. Give your connection a name, click Private Key Refresh to generate a private key and public key. For the address, enter your IP address from your WireGuard range that you specified in the Peer tab, along with /24. Enter your listen port, which you can change in the MikroTik WireGuard setup, and the DNS server address. Click Add Peer, enter your MikroTik's public key in the public key field, and, if configured, the pre-shared key and persistent keep alive. In the endpoint, enter your MikroTik's IP. You can connect via the private IP or the public IP, depending on your needs and the correct port. If you want to connect to your network from outside it, select your public IP. To connect without IP limitations, enter 0.0.0.0/0 in the Allowed IPs field. Step 6. Connecting to your WireGuard server. Finally, you can connect to your WireGuard server using your phone or any other device with WireGuard installed. And there you have it. You're all set up to use WireGuard for secure connections to your MikroTik router. Happy connecting! If you find this video helpful and informative, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to me, and it motivates me to create more content like this in the future.